Yes, Shri Adya, what are you saying?
I'm almost done with the compliment.
Very okay. I hope you all have learned the compliments. Now I'm just sharing my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all,
Yes,
what do we do in every class? We write compliments. So as of now, we have done +5 compliment. But today you have to write -5 compliment also. Okay. Just a second now. Who has? Okay, just give me a second. Give me a second.
Ma'am, you're on mute. Because ma'am is on a call. Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am. You just stop your microphone. Ma'am, you're on mute.
So let's start writing the compliment. Okay, wait, just somebody is. Then it's okay, ma'am. I can. All together means 5 days, 15 hours. Just a second now. Somebody is there, not there in the class, and they're asking for the. Okay, I will just stop sharing my screen.
Ma'am, I'm done writing the compliments
By
and
yourself. By
Yes.
yourself.
Finish, ma'am. Shanmuga
Finish.
finish compliment.
Very good, very good. Even I have not even written all the compliment and you have finished. That's great actually. Okay, those who are not finished, let's start writing first. We'll write friends. So one's friend is 4, two's friend is 3, three's friend is 2, four friend is 1. After that, +1 is equals to +5 minus 4, +2 is equals to +5 minus 3, +3 is equals to +5 minus 2, +4 is equals to +5 minus 1. Okay, now another complement. In the same way, -1 is equals to +4 minus 5, -2 is equals to +3 minus 5, -3 is equals to +2 minus 5, -4 is equals to +1 minus 5. Okay, write down
Ma'am,
these
what's
complements
that?
also.
Ma'am,
These
what's
are,
that? I was absent.
who is asking this?
Angel, ma'am.
Angel, you have done these complements now.
Yeah.
Now these are for subtraction. I have not introduced these. Just write it down. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we can see.
Yes, 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 yes. Write it fast. Very good. Very good. Write it fast.
Ma'am.
Done. All of you are done.
Ma'am.
Is there
No,
anybody
ma'am.
who has not? Yes, yes, yes. I'm
No,
asking for
ma'am.
those only who are still writing. After that, I'm going to give you questions, you know. So I think we have not done +4 questions now. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we are going to do +4. Questions of +4. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
All of you done? Now, is there anybody who has not done?
Ma'am, Satvik. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Last second.
Continue your work. I'm just waiting for you. Okay. After that, I will share the list of the questions. Okay. So again, first 10 question you have to do on tool, using your tool. After that, you have to what? You have to send the answer through chat. Okay.
Ma'am, I have also done writing.
You have also done? Now, how many of you are there who has not done? First, tell me first your name.
Ma'am, Satvik.
Satvik, write it fast. Then I will start the meeting. Sorry, I will share the question. Okay, do it fast. Who is saying this? Slowly.
Ma'am, can you see mine? Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. So now should I stop sharing my screen?
Ma'am, can you see mine? Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I will stop sharing my screen and now I will share. Okay, how many of you have sent messages? Okay, ma'am, you are on mute. Yeah, because I was talking to somebody. Okay, now first I'm going to share the questions. So first 10 questions you have to do. Okay, so start doing these questions and see. I have written the complement. +4 is equals to +5 -1. So today we are practicing +4. Okay, so start doing these questions and do it fast.
Ma'am, I was absent, so can you tell me what's +4
Who is absent? Who was absent? Angel, you?
Angel, ma'am.
Angel, how many
Yes, ma'am.
classes you have missed?
1, ma'am.
1 month.
Only 1.
Only 1. So Angel, you know the complements now. +1 is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
+5 -4. In the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way, if you have to add 4 +5 -1, simple.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, complements are same. You have done +1, +2, +3. Now +4 is equals to, whenever you don't have sufficient bead and you have to add 4, +5 -1. That's it. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the first question. First question, ma'am.
Who is saying this thing that I cannot understand? First question. Ashrit,
ma'am.
Ashrit, you know everything, but still, why do you find it difficult? Okay, you have to do it with me. Make 2 on your tool. Make 2. If anybody else you are facing any problem, I'm doing first question with Ashrit. You can also do. Okay. So Ashrit, have you made 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Now +2. What is the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
right now?
4, ma'am.
4. Now in 4 you have to add 4. Do you have 4 more beads?
No, ma'am. The
Then-
answer is 8, ma'am.
Very good. You got the answer and you have applied the complement because it was +5 -1. Now -3.
5, ma'am.
Minus 5
0, ma'am.
plus 1
1, ma'am.
plus 4. So plus 5 minus 1
5, ma'am.
plus 2
7, ma'am.
minus 6
1, ma'am.
plus 4.
8, ma'am.
How 8? You had 1 and plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. How 8? What's the answer?
5, ma'am.
Yes. And you know every.
Ma'am? Ma'am, I'm not able to do the third one.
You are not able to do the third one. Okay, make 3 on your tool.
Yes.
Now plus 4. How will you add plus 4?
First we should do, there is
Advika, I have told many times you have to speak complete compliments. Like other kids
Plus-
were speaking.
plus 5 minus 1.
Plus 5 minus 1. That's great. And what's the answer?
2.
Why 2? Plus 5 minus 1. Then you got 2.
Yeah.
Why? Where's your 5? It's down
Up.
now.
Yeah. Now I came it.
What's the answer?
2.
Why, Advika? Do it again. Clear the beats. Make 3.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Now plus 4.
Plus
Plus 5 minus 1. How many beads are touching the value bar?
3.
Which one?
The down one.
From the lower side, 3 beads are touching.
Yeah.
How? You explain me how? When you have done plus 5 minus 1. How is it possible? You brought 5 down for plus 5
Yeah.
and you removed 1. 1 bead from upper side, down, it is down, and 2 from lower side. What's the number is that?
6.
Why, Advika?
What I'm saying? I was seeing always the downer one.
No, Advika, you are making mistake.
7.
Wait. Yes, it's 7. Then why are you confused?
I was seeing because I was focused in down beats.
Why you were focused on down, all those beads? Why? That means your concept is not clear. Now in 7 plus 1, what's the answer?
8.
8. Now from 8 minus 5, what's the answer?
3.
Now in 3 plus 4, how will you don't have 4 bead? How will you add 4? Plus 5
Plus
minus
5
1.
minus 1.
What's the answer?
7.
7. In 7 plus 2, what's the answer?
9.
9. From 9 minus 9, what's the answer?
0.
Very good. Now plus 4, what's the answer?
4.
4. In 4 plus 4, plus 5 minus 1, what's the answer?
8.
From 8 minus 3, what's the answer?
5.
Done.
Ma'am, I completed.
Who has completed?
Tanvika. Completed. Shanmuka Priya
Suhas,
completed.
Suhas has already sent answer and he has sent answer in everyone.
Ma'am,
Suhas, you know now everybody can see your answers.
Ma'am, I am not understanding second question.
Wait, I'm telling you.
Oh my God.
Excellent, Suhas.
Ma'am, done. I
So
sent
start sending you. Oh, wait. Sanvika. Very
ma'am.
good. Excellent, Sanvika. Excellent, Suhas. Arush. Arush, you have missed one answer.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Arush, send your answers again. Send your answers again. Excellent, Tanmay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent, Shanmukha Priya. Anvit, you missed the last question. You missed the last question.
Ma'am, I sent it, ma'am.
And Shriyanshu, check your answers again. One answer is missing.
Ma'am, I sent it, ma'am.
Hardik, excellent.
Last.
Where did you send? Oh, yeah, it's correct. It's correct. Gayatri.
Ma'am, I sent it in the chat.
Yeah, got it.
Ma'am, done.
Angel, all correct.
I wrote the answers, ma'am.
Arush, all correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I am not understanding second one.
Yeah, now because your turn, I'm telling you the second question. Okay. So
Okay.
because make one on your tool.
1,
Now in 1 plus 2.
3,
In 3, how will you add 4? Complement.
ma'am, 3 down.
So because this is how we speak the complement. Every single time I tell you, I keep telling that the way I tell the complement, you have to speak in the same way. Then why don't you understand? And this is the reason you face problem. The complement is plus 5 minus 1. So in 3, you have to apply plus 5 minus 1. Do it. Plus 5 minus 1. What's the answer?
7,
7. Now from 7 minus 7.
0,
Excellent. Now in 0 plus 1.
1,
Now in 1 plus 4. Again plus 5 minus 1.
plus 5, minus 1.
Minus 1. Huh? Yes.
5.
Now plus 2.
7,
Now minus 5.
2,
Now plus 4. You don't have 4 bit. Plus 5 minus 1.
plus 5, minus 1, 6,
Now plus 1.
7.
You got the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Gayatri, all correct. Ashrit, all correct. Very good. Those who have done, open your book and start doing page number 28.
Ma'am, I don't have the printout.
Who is saying I have a doubt?
I don't have the printout.
You do you have the soft copy in your laptop or in your system?
No, ma'am.
Why?
I had it in the iPad's email, but now I cannot find it.
Wait, I'm sending in chat box. Okay. And there,
Okay, ma'am.
from there, you can save it in your iPad.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I did the 28 page in the printout, ma'am.
Very good. Start doing next.
Okay, ma'am.
I have sent it. Check your chat box and you can download from there and you can save it. Save it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. because some students are still doing these 10 questions. After that, I will share next 10 questions.
No, ma'am, 1 hour 130 you will never tell because we are supposed to teach students in a ratio of 6:1. 6 students in one team, right? So if you will tell 130, you just multiply 130 with 6, that is 780 rupees, right? So you
Ma'am,
make it in a round figure.
Yes, Angel.
when I click on it, it shows these different kind of file folder and stuff.
Now I don't know how to save that actually. Now for
Oh.
that you need to save it because in laptop it
Okay.
opens in a format, proper format.
There blue download symbol, we have to click on that.
Shri Adya, your this seventh question is wrong. Seventh answer is wrong.
Okay.
Do it again. Do it fast, everybody, because you finish all these 10 questions. I think only you are left, so that I can send. I can share next 10 questions. Meanwhile, they are working in their book. Do it fast, okay?
Ma'am, can you say the page number?
25.
Ma'am, I sent the all answers in the chat box, ma'am.
I'm just checking it. Yes, now all are correct, Vikas. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Priya, they all are correct. So stop doing the work and let's start next 10 questions. Let's do those questions first, okay? So these are the 10 questions. Next 10 questions. Start doing these questions and you have to send me the answers. And try to do it fast.
Ma'am, I finished my 28 page. Finished, ma'am.
Tanmay, okay, Tanmay, now you have to do these 10 questions, which I'm sharing on the screen. These are the next, this is the next set of question, okay?
Recording in progress.
Mom, I completed. I sent the answers.
Checking your answers, okay?
Okay, mom.
Shanmukha, very good. Wait. Kotas, Sanvika. Sanvika, excellent. Beta, all answers are correct. Now you can start doing your work in book. Okay. All answers are correct. Excellent. And Suhas, your answers are also correct. Excellent.
Ma'am, I finish. I send the answers in the chat box, ma'am.
Checking your just a second. Now I'm just checking your answers.
Okay.
Okay, Anvit. Third answer is wrong. Rest of them are correct. Third is wrong. Tanmay, all
Okay.
answers are correct. Excellent.
Ma'am, I send my
Angel, all
answer.
answers are correct. Very good. You have learned all the compliments completely. And
Thank you, ma'am.
you are using all the compliments. I'm very happy. Excellent. Now those
Which
have done
page was it?
those who have done these 10 questions also, now you can start working from the book.
Ma'am, I found the book, the thing on the internet, so on the iPad. So, which page is it?
25. Angel, I think you have not done any page now. You can start working from the starting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that you will revise the work. You can start working from the starting. No problem.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you mute me? I can't.
Wait.
Then I sent
Done.
my answers.
Arush, I'm checking. Correct. Arush, all answers are correct. Very good.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm new student. Ma'am, I cannot
Amrita Vikrama, you are new student. When did you join?
Today only.
Today
He's my
only you have joined
and he's my friend. He is living in my building only.
because he is your friend.
Yes, ma'am. He is living in my.
And you know how much work we have done already.
Yes, ma'am. He already learned abacus.
Okay, you know.
What the things I have to get? My friend said we have to get printed book.
Printout, yeah. That printout
I
you will
don't
get.
have it.
No problem, no problem. First of all, you tell me your name.
Viram. Amita Vikram.
Amita Vikram. Okay. Listen. Have you? Are you there on the Google Classroom?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So from there you can download the book that you have to get, and I'll share different question in the class.
Google
Those
Classroom
question
I
we finish-
have.
You have you joined the Google Classroom? Sir have added you in the Google Classroom. Manoj sir.
You have to do Google Classroom of abacus.
Yes.
My earphones.
So for that you need to talk to Manoj sir. He will add you in the Abacus class, Google Classroom. Okay. After that, what you can do? You can download book, and you have to do question in class also.
What we have to download, ma'am?
Book. Yes. And in class we do different question. In class I always share my screen and I share the question. Vikas will guide you. Okay.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
sit with the Vikas and he will tell you that how much work we have
Ma'am,
already done.
I send it.
You have sent it?
Yes.
You have sent? No,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
I didn't get. Okay, Satvik. Satvik, do third and fourth question and third, fourth, fifth. There are so many mistakes. Satvik, do all questions again. Do all question again. There are so many mistakes, you know.
Ma'am, Sanupriya, send it in chat.
I have checked your answers. All answers are correct.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, all are wrong. Ma'am, are my
What?
answers correct? Ma'am, all are wrong.
Yes. So many are wrong. Do all again.
Ma'am, my answers correct are.
Yes, Arush. Yes. Those who have done these 10 questions, you can continue your work in the book. Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
I see this question like it's 5 minus 2 and after that minus 2. I don't get it.
5
I
minus
did
2.
the
On which page
compliments.
you are? On which page you are, Angel? That is a minus 5 complement.
35, ma'am.
No. Don't go to 35. We are Angel. Do we start any book from the mid of the book? We always
No,
start
ma'am.
from the starting, na? See, it is
Yes,
one by
ma'am.
one. You have to go through one by one. Okay, Amita Vikrama,
Okay, ma'am.
you have to watch all the videos.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I was just disconnected. Did you change any slide?
Yes.
Ma'am, I was just disconnected. Ma'am, did you change any slide?
No. These questions are only there on the screen.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
who is saying excuse me, ma'am? Yes, tell me.
Hanuka Priya, ma'am.
Shanmuka Priya, tell me.
Ma'am, what page in worksheet I have to do? 28 I finished.
You have finished till 28. Okay, just let me check. Let me check. I'm just checking the page now. Wait a second. Wait a minute. I have sent the book in chat box now. Wait. You have finished. If you have finished till 28, then practice sheet will be there and all the compliments will be there combined. Just a second. Okay. After 28, you can do 29. If you have finished till 28, you can finish till you can do 29 also. Now listen, in page number 28, all complements will be there. All complements are mixed. Okay. 29, 30. But don't go ahead of 30. Do till 30 only. Okay. I hope you have done all these 10 questions. How many of you have not done these 10 questions?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Doing? Okay, do it.
I am also doing.
Who is doing? Okay, where is Amrita Vikram?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Okay. Amrita Vikram is there? He is not there. Vikas,
Ma'am, once can you send
Vikas, you please guide him and tell him to watch all the videos, okay? And you tell him all the compliments so that he can continue from the next class.
Okay.
send me the link of the book, ma'am?
What? Anvit, in the last class also I sent you the book.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is
Ma'am,
the book?
ma'am, 1 minute. I'm checking in
I
download.
will save your book on your desktop now.
Ma'am, I save, ma'am. I'm just checking the download.
Yes. How can I say, send you book all the times?
Ma'am, I'm done. What page should I start from?
25.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Angel.
Ma'am? I was done until page 18. I was
You have done
practicing.
18, 18. Very good. So after
Yes,
18,
ma'am.
you can do next pages. Leave the
Okay,
page
ma'am.
on that you have to write complement. Apart from that, you can start. From 21 to 30, you can do. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Amita Vikram, a parent.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the things he needs to join the class?
Ma'am?
Actually,
Yeah, I was calling him. I thought he left the class. Yes. Ma'am, first thing, he needs to download the book from the Google Classroom. For that, you need to contact to Manoj sir. He will add him to the Google Classroom. Okay.
I think that is all done, ma'am.
You got the printout? I cannot see you on the screen, ma'am.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You told Hook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's Hook app.
Book.
Okay. Book app. Okay. And then?
Book. Wait,
Okay,
I'm
and-
sharing the screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. We are able
Now,
to
can you
see your screen.
Can you see the screen again? I just changed the page.
Yeah.
Junior
Yeah.
level 1, book 1. This is the book
Okay.
on the Google Classroom, which you have to download and you have to get the printout. Okay.
Okay.
First thing.
Okay.
Second thing, Abacus tool. Wait, nobody will talk. Let me talk. Second thing, Abacus tool. Okay. See, I give homework in that book, and sometimes they do practice in the book. Okay. And in class, I keep sharing different kind of questions so that they can do difficult questions also. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
And I upload every video on YouTube. So from there, if you miss any class, you can see the video. And I have uploaded approx 12 videos there. So he needs to watch all the videos.
So you have uploaded in the Chanukya tutorial channel, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Abacus
okay.
1, I have uploaded.
And he is having the instrument, like that colorful instrument he is having.
No problem, ma'am. If he is
No
already
problem, right?
having the tool, yeah, he can use that tool.
He is insisting that okay, all are having same color instrument. So bring for
No.
me.
Different tools are there. There are so
Yeah.
many tools available in the market.
Yeah,
Whatever
that
you
tool.
have.
Yeah. Sure. So I'll talk with Manoj sir and
Sure,
I'll
ma'am.
try to make him attend those YouTube classes and we'll join on Sunday.
Sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Sorry for disturbing you.
No problem, ma'am. Anytime.
Thank you.
And I'm there in the group for any confusion or any problem. You can call me. Okay.
Sure,
Okay.
Jyoti ma'am. Thank you. So I'm leaving for today.
Sure, ma'am. Okay. And listen, for all of you, I'm telling you, you all are there in the group now. I'm also there in the group. For any problem, any doubt related to book or class, you can call me anytime. Okay. Call me, message me if you have any doubt. If you are lacking somewhere, so you can talk to me. Okay. I'm available. Now I hope you have done all these 10 questions. Should I stop sharing my screen?
Ma'am, it's I think
Because mistakes are there.
the book is deleted. Like,
Book is not deleted.
deleted in the downloads.
Anvit, I search in the chat box. I have sent it today also.
Ma'am,
In the chat box, find the book. I have sent it again.
Yes, ma'am, you send it.
Today only.
Yes, ma'am. I just disconnect now, ma'am. So the book will not.
So, Anvit, from Google Classroom, you have to download the book and you have to save the book on your laptop. In every class, again and again, I cannot send the book. Okay. I'm just sending it. You save it. check your. Oh, I sent it to Vikas by mistake. Just a second, now. Everyone. Okay, why I'm not able to make it everyone? Now check. Anvit, check your chat box. Got it? Now I will stop sharing these questions. Everybody, stop doing work.
Ma'am, I sent the answers in the chat box.
Yeah, and there are mistakes. Today only I will upload all the PDFs you have to do, and I will, after that I will send message in the group. Gayatri, which batch do you attend? I see you in 8 o'clock batch. Sometime I find you here. So in which batch you are?
4 to 5, ma'am.
4 to 5. But last time you attended the next batch. Am I right? The 8 o'clock one.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Stay in one batch. Otherwise, you will confuse. You know, my speed is different in this batch and my speed is completely different in that batch. Okay, now today I'm going to tell you one game. Okay? So everybody start your video. I want to see you. Sanvika, Mudita.
Ma'am, is the game?
Yes, I'm telling you one game. Akshara. And Vedika is not there. So, how many of you know tables? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Multiplication table.
Tables, yeah. Table of 2, table of 3, table of 4. You know? Okay. So I'm just telling you one game. I hope you know table of 5. Everybody knows table of 5.
Ma'am. Yes,
5
ma'am.
ones are 5 ones are.
Ma'am, I know table, ma'am. 5.
Who is saying who not done table of 5?
Ma'am,
Ashrit. So before next class you have to learn. Okay.
I
Table
know
of 5.
12th, ma'am.
You not in?
I know tables till 12, ma'am.
Why?
I know till 16.
Very good. Okay, Ashrit, you have to learn table of 5 before next class. Okay, I know your potential. You will learn.
Ma'am, I know table till 12.
And mute yourself, everybody. Now mute yourself.
1 to 20 tables.
Very good. Mute yourself.
Till 1 to 12, ma'am.
Okay. Listen, I'm just asking you. 5 ones are?
5.
5 ones are?
10. 15. 10.
5 threes are 15.
5 3
Now, yes. You know the numbers now, which are coming in the table of 5. So from here, mute yourself. Mute yourself, everybody. Now I will call the name. Because when I ask you to unmute yourself, you all start speaking together. So what you have to do, listen. So on my screen, I can see Shanmukha first. Shanmukha, say 1.
Ma'am?
Say 1. We are doing counting, na? Say 1. 1. Shri Adya, say 2.
2.
Tanmay, say 3.
3.
Angel, say 4.
4.
Now it's Vikas' turn. Vikas, you don't have to say 5. You will say abacus. Say abacus.
Ma'am, I know this game. Whenever 5 and 10 comes, we should tell abacus.
Yes, exactly. So where you will find the number table of 5 now, you have to say abacus. So Vikas, what will you say? Abacus.
Abacus.
Yes. Now Satvik, say 6.
6.
Anvit, say 7.
7.
Ashrit, 8.
8.
Gayatri, 9.
9.
Now next is 10 now. So Hardik will not say 10 because 10 comes in the table of 5. Yes, Hardik will say abacus. Okay, now Suhas, 11. Suhas, I'm not even getting your voice. Speak loudly. 11. Akshara, 12. Akshara, 12.
12.
Sanvika, 13.
13.
Now Shanmukha, 14.
14.
Now Shri Adya, do you find 15 in the table of 5?
Abacus.
Yes. So where you will find now on your turn, if you find 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, what you have to say? Abacus instead of saying numbers. Got it? Got it? Got it? So like today we are doing table of 5. Tomorrow we'll do table of 6, then 7, 8, 9. And in the same way, we can learn tables, okay? And one more thing. By mistake, if you said 5, if you said 10, like the number which is coming in the table, and if you set the number, instead of saying abacus, you are out. You are out of the game. Got it? So on Sunday, first we'll play the game. After that, we'll start our work. Is it clear?
Okay.
On Sunday, we are not going to do any work in the starting. First, we are going to play the game. After that, we will think that we want to study or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Because we should keep one day in a month now for playing such kind of games. So on Sunday, we are going to play. Okay? So now for today, I'll be ending the class and you have to learn all the complements. See, we have done +1, +2, +3 and +4. All +5 complement we have done. Now in the next class, I'll be explaining you -5 complement.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So now for today,
Okay, ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.